Welcome, this is a video on how to set up your account with MEXC and buy Kula. So head to MEXC.com and there you're going to want to set up your account using your email and make your password. Once you've done that, they're going to send you a security code to your email, which then you put in. It's a 6-digit code which will help you set up your account. The next stage of the process is to complete your KYC, know your customer process. That's going to require you to upload your identification document, either a driving license or a passport. Once these are all complete, you're going to have to wait for a few minutes, sometimes a little while longer, and on their side they'll verify you as KYC passed. Now that you're verified, you're ready to buy some crypto. Your first step is to buy USDT, which is a stable coin denominated in US dollars. Go to Wallets, click Overview, and then click Deposit. So from the drop down, then click on Buy Crypto. You're going to want to choose USDT from the second drop down and then select how much USDT you want to purchase. You can change the currency that you're buying to reflect your credit or debit card currency. Then click USDT, and once the USDT has cleared your account, you'll need to transfer this to your spot account. Once you've transferred to the spot account, you're going to want to select markets, and then if you search for Kula, you'll find Kula. And now you can buy Kula using USDT by pressing buy. Thank you for buying the Kula token.